Hello everyone, I'm Nazia Zaratunisa from Class 2 Accounting Section Study Program, Faculty of Economics, Tidar University. Dear Mr. Fatu Arifin, Lecturer of English course, thank you for having time to watch and grade my midterm exam. On the second and third of English class, Mr. Arifin talked to Class 2 the lesson greetings and farewell. The definition of greetings is an expression that we use when we meet someone. In an expression of the greetings to describe something sad or down to show the other person you are so glad to see, or message expression good wishes to someone. The meaning of leave talking or farewell is an expression we use when we leave someone. And farewell prayers is an expression used to say goodbye to someone. Example of greeting expression are I am glad to meet you and nice to meet you. Example of farewell are see you tomorrow and good night. But good night if you say to bedtime farewell. The second, on September 10, 20 and 24, Mr. Arifin explained lesson, time and daily activities. The explanation with the use time consists with the first to mean toward usage more than 13 minutes. Second, past mean less than 30 minutes. Third is quarter or 15 minutes. The fourth is half or 30 minutes. For example, 10 minutes past 12 and 10 minutes to 12. And here 8 words that use in the daily activities. The first is always. The second is usually. The third is normally or generally. The fourth is often. The fifth is sometimes. The sixth is occasionally. The seventh is rarely. The eighth is never. For example, I am always get up at 5 p.m. and I am sometimes eat dinner at 7 p.m. September 24, 2024, Mr. Arifin give course material, namely is description. Description has philosophy, but here I am brief. The philosophy is words. Description is describing with words. To make description, use with words that can be describe something. And to do describe, you should not many adjective. Because if you use a lot many adjective, people will be confused about how description actually is. For example, I describe coriander chicken is delicious. Hard it is necessarily what people think it is delicious. The correct should be described is coriander chicken cooked with traditional home spice and use garlic, shallots, and coriander. Describing person, what is describing by physical on the face or the body. For example, I think she is beautiful, but other people can image by I mean beautiful. So the description is she is have long eyelids and thick lip. With the description like example just now, people can imagine describing I give. I took the shorts from the learning experience English course with the lecturer English is Mr. Arifin and summary material notes from the each meeting. Thank you and I take my leave.